Place your name in salt water and prepare to attract everything you want. However, keep in mind that if you are a pessimistic person, it will be very difficult to manifest your desires if you harbor negative thoughts. Negative emotions and dense energies can block your progress. If you let negativity dominate your mind, you will never live the life you truly desire. This is the first universal law, applicable to everyone regardless of their current situation. What do I mean? I want to get straight to the point because I genuinely want you to succeed. I want you to prosper. And to achieve this, you need to raise your frequency by maintaining positive thoughts. If you are currently facing challenges or feeling frustrated, don't worry. This method is designed to help you overcome those obstacles. To begin, you will need a white candle, which represents light and guidance on your path. If you don't have a white candle, don't worry. Before starting this ritual, spend about 2 minutes in meditation. Visualize yourself as a prosperous person, and imagine your problem, whatever it may be, disappearing from your life. Feel the emotion and frequency of your desires coming true, as if it is happening in the present moment, not in the future. To activate this process, light the candle with a wooden match. If you don't have a candle, focus on meditating and visualizing your desire. Be very clear about what you want. Now take a piece of paper and write down your desire. Today, we will harness the energy of gratitude, which multiplies our blessings. When we feel grateful, we attract even more blessings into our lives. Because gratitude emits a spectacularly high energy. This elevated frequency draws in people, situations and things that make us feel even more grateful, making it a powerful tool to attract what we seek. Begin by writing a thank you note to the universe, or use any term that resonates with you, such as God, divinity, or energy. For example, you could write, "Thank you, universe, for offering me this new job," or "Thank you, universe, for providing me with this new house." Whether it's health, money, or love that you seek, for yourself or your family, express it as if it's already yours. Next, mix the salt into the water. You can also use seawater if you have access to the ocean, as it's natural and will work even faster. Stir the water to mix it well. Then hold the paper and repeat your wish out loud, with intense feeling, as if it's happening right now. For example, say, "Thank you, universe, for giving my family and me good health, money, protection, and love." After repeating your wish, fold the paper while continuing to say, "Thank you, thank you, thank you." Place the folded paper in the salt water. The salt water will help cleanse away anything that is harming you. Negative thoughts, limiting beliefs, and obstacles that prevent your progress. This technique will purify your name, yourself, and your higher self, allowing miracles to begin manifesting in your life. This method requires your full faith, high energy, and complete concentration. If you lit a candle, let it burn down completely. After it has burned out, you can dispose of the remnants. Keep the glass with your wish for as long as you feel necessary. In a few days, expect a significant miracle to occur in your life. I hope you found this information helpful. I wish you success and prosperity.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.